Are you an iPhone user struggling with full storage even after deleting your photos and videos? If yes, you are not alone. I also use an iPhone SE 2020 with 64 GB of storage and I faced the same problem until I discovered the real reason. Whenever you delete a media from Photos app, let me show you. It's not gone immediately. Instead, it goes to a folder called recently deleted where it stays for 30 days. This folder continues to occupy your storage. So, here's how to fix it permanently. Open the Photos app, scroll down, and tap Recently Deleted. It needs my Touch ID to confirm. Okay, I am giving my passcode. Sorry, Touch ID is not working. Okay, now these are the photos and deleted that I have deleted in the last 30 days. So I need to select this. Okay, now I am going to tap delete. Yes, the phone is saying this will permanently delete the selected items. This action can be undone. Okay, deletion done. That's it. Now the space is truly freed. Okay, I am going to check my iPhone storage. Yes, you can see almost I have recovered 12 or 13 GB of storage. This simple trick helped me save several gigabytes of space instantly. Try this out and check your storage again. You will see the difference. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel Galaxy Station for more iPhone and Android tips every week.